Cigolo, the quickest failure detection. In many industries, there are large productivity assets that have to work 24 hours per day, 7 days per week. Those assets are mainly based on mechanical devices, such as gas turbines, engines, cars, trains, aeroplanes, and many others. In order to protect the investment and assuring a valuable return of it, one of the main tasks to support is prompt maintenance. Such a task can be done signaling if a mechanical device is broken or next to be broken. The soon such conditions can be detected, the soon repairing actions can be performed. One of the most simple and also effective ways to discover if something is damaged is to listen to the sounds it emits. Any mechanical device that works properly has a typical sonic fingerprint. And when something goes wrong with the regular functions, such sonic fingerprint changes. Cigolo is an application of industrial Internet of Things, implementing all the necessary functionalities to support early fault detection using the sonic fingerprint recognition. A network of sensors detect environmental sounds. Using a 5G network or similar, they send the digital representations to a cloud-based artificial intelligence application. Such application was properly trained to recognize the well-functioning sonic fingerprints of any single device of the asset to protect. When something is going to signal a fault, an alert is sent to activate the maintenance activities. For more information, visit www.cigolo.it. Cigolo, the quickest failure detection.